Are you looking forward to what Nintendo has in store for the future of gaming? There's a lot of buzz surrounding their next big release, the successor to the Switch, and we're here to break it all down. In this video, we'll cover everything from game compatibility to system updates, retail plans, and more. With so many rumors floating around, it can be tough to separate fact from fiction. But don't worry, we're cutting through the noise to give you reliable, up-to-date information on what's really happening. If you're tired of clickbait and speculation, you're in the right place. Let's start with a question that's been stirring up debate. Will you need an internet connection just to start playing on the new Nintendo console? Thankfully, the answer is no. Trusted insiders have confirmed that flagship titles like the enhanced version of Breath of the Wild and Mario Kart World will be playable straight from the cartridge, no mandatory updates required on day one. That said, there will still be a launch day system update, but it's optional unless you want to unlock features like backward compatibility, digital downloads, or linking your Nintendo account. Don't let the online chatter fool you. This update isn't a barrier to playing your games. This situation isn't unusual. Every modern console, including the original Switch, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series X, had a launch update. For example, the first Switch needed one to enable SD card support. It's part of the standard rollout, not a red flag. On the topic of backward compatibility, the new system will support previous Switch titles, but there's a catch. It won't be enabled right out of the box unless you install the Day 1 update. That's because the compatibility is powered by software emulation, not native hardware. Nintendo is still refining this feature, so some older games might not run perfectly at first, but support is expected to expand over time, much like what Microsoft did with Xbox's legacy titles. Now, let's talk retail. Major retailers like Walmart and Best Buy are already reconfiguring their store layouts to make space for the new Nintendo system. Reports indicate they're shrinking down PlayStation and Xbox display areas to prioritize this upcoming release. You'll see fresh signage, demo stations, branded shelves, the works. That level of commitment signals major confidence in Nintendo's new hardware. What's more, Nintendo seems to be learning from past missteps. When the Wii U launched, the messaging confused consumers who weren't sure if it was a new console or just an accessory. This time around, they're taking a clearer approach, making it obvious that this is a brand new generation, not just an upgrade. That clarity could make a big difference, especially for casual shoppers. So, could this new console break records? Matching or surpassing the original Switch's 125 million units sold would be an incredible feat. Only a few systems, like the PlayStation 2 and Nintendo DS, have ever reached those numbers. But even if it doesn't hit those heights, it can still be a major success. With regular updates, strong game support, and potential future models like a Pro version, the platform is set up for a long and healthy lifespan. If you don't have internet access at launch, you can still enjoy the system. You'll only need to go online if you want to transfer digital purchases, save data, or user profiles from your old Switch. Otherwise, you're good to go with physical game cartridges right out of the box. There's a lot of speculation out there, but we're committed to delivering clear, confirmed details without hype or drama. If you're excited about what's next for Nintendo and want to stay ahead of the news, keep following for more updates.